Hey there, my friends. Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. We have sketch number 90 in our DSP Paper Sketch projects. So we're going to be using Masterfully Made today, and I've got Sweet Sorbet, Lost Lagoon, Basic White, and a bunch of scrap pieces from previous projects. Here are the 4 different patterns of DSP I'm using, and you can see I've cut each of them down to be 3.5 inches long by 3/4 inches wide, and we have a total of 6. Then I've stamped my sentiment with the So Sincere in Sweet Sorbet ink on that Stylish Shapes circle die. So these are all the parts and pieces we're going to use for the project today, and you can still get the tutorials just by using the link in the details below. I always begin by folding my card base in half and using my bone folder to give it a good strong crease. Then I added some texture with the time-worn type and embossing folder to the front of the card. Next, I lined up my 6 pieces of DSP in the pattern that I want to mimic on the front of my Lost Lagoon panel, and with an 1/8 inch gap on the one end, I put the first piece on with liquid adhesive. Then I'm going to put liquid adhesive on the rest of the panel, except for leaving at the end open, and go ahead and layer up the next 4 pieces of DSP. For the last strip of DSP, I added little adhesive on the back and then placed it down with that 1/8 inch gap again on the end. Now we're going to layer up our put together panel with dimensionals on top of our card base. Then we're going to add the sentiment the same way, and there we have our finished card for today. I hope you enjoyed this fun project, and remember, you can subscribe here on the YouTube channel, find me on my website at www.pumpkinhillstampers.com, and my links below to email me directly can be found in the details. So have a great day and do some fun stamping.